My guess is it's going to be swing like the monkey by the market. Okay, because May could be volatile. So what I want to do is to write this down, CBIP. Now, if I'm afraid of missing this stock, what I want to do is to add it into the watch list. KLSC target. Okay, and if I still scared I miss this stock, I'm going to set some form of alert so that if you break important alert, it will send an alert to me. Horizontal line. Okay, I'm going to put at this this 136 level lah. Put at the high. Okay, I'm not going to buy it. 136. I'm not going to buy it. I just want to put an alert. If the stock trades at the high, I check the volume. It is very good volume. Then I'm interested. The next earning is 1st of July. So let me just set it into 1st of July. Okay, so that I know, from now, 5th of May, all the way to 1st of July, plenty of time. So if it hits the alert, it will shout. Okay, one line may not be enough, one line may not be enough. So I want to look for another level, which is known as the RTS level, right? Or if you come to this low, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, no lah, you break this level, I also want to know. Please alert me. Now, when I set this horizontal line alerts, okay, I repeat, it's not I'm going to buy at that price level. It is just to remind me, hey, this stock is a good stock because the earning is going up. Earnings is going up. This is my kind of stocks, I like this kind of stock. Earnings is going up. Okay, so I want to know if you trade to this low range, I want to know. I may want to buy you. You trade to this high, I want to target you if you pull back to do RTS. That is why I draw these two lines. And when the stock trades at that orange line, an alert will be thrown out to my software over here so that I will not miss it. And if I still feel unsafe, I will hook up my Telegram in my mobile phone with the software so that it will also notify me in my mobile app. Okay, in my mobile app. So therefore, all these are all the tools that I'm using to remind myself to come back to CBIP. Right? So let's go. Next stock, CGB, construction and engineering. This one, the earnings is down. My Telegram in my mobile phone with the stock. Oh yo, finally the YouTube is up, guys. Finally the YouTube is up. Okay, those of you who want to see from the YouTube is already up. Okay, so let's go. CGB. Okay, let's see. Weekly chart. Weekly chart. What is this, guys? What is this, guys? Weekly chart. You saw this? What is this, guys? Someone tell me, please. CGB weekly chart. You are looking at this on a Wednesday night. What is this? What is this? Middle finger. Oh, you're that bad. Shooting star lah. What middle finger? Okay, I found something very cute to share with you. I found something very cute to share with you. You mean like that? Look like the shooting star. Okay, so this is a bearish pattern. Bearish pattern. So I don't think I'm interested in this stock anymore. So I'm going to skip first. Okay, I'm going to skip first. So by Friday, we see whether this shooting star become a white candle or not. So as of now, it is still a shooting star. Okay, it's still a shooting star. Earning is not great. So long earnings is not great, I'm not going to touch it. So skip. Okay, Scenic. Now, this is the lumber stock. Lumber. Wood trees. Okay, so we see, so this is, do you see BIC? I don't see BIC. I see selling. And today, okay, this is also one of my favorite patterns. Very long lower tail with low volume. Okay, so this is a very good company. No debt. No debt is good. Earnings is positive. Good. February. So the next earning is 28th of Feb. 156. Okay, so it's about 10% piece projection already. None. Okay. Okay, it is not really an ascending triangle. So maybe can KIV. Okay, lumber stock is still strong. Whoa, wow. Okay, if you look at the weekly chart, then you will find this stock very bullish already. Now, if today is Wednesday, so Thursday and Friday, if you are able to close higher, right, it means that it may continue its wonderful uptrend over here. This is a very good, fundamentally strong company. Earnings is good. So Scenic, okay, but volume is low, guys. Volume is low, so you have to do it by yourself. Okay, I'm talking to the Traders Club member over here. You see the volume is so low. So low volume stock, I will probably cover the stock name when I do any learning. I just realized this. Okay, I could just cover the stock name or let you all go and figure out what stock is it. So this is one stock I want to highlight. So I'm going to add it into my KLSE target first. Later tomorrow I give you a summary lah, guys. So dominant, another wood, another forestry stock industry. Okay, you can see their earnings are all good. Now lumber as a commodity is on the all-time high, trading at the all-time high. Okay, so you can see, do we see BIC? We do see BIC in this chart. Okay, but this one is a little bit too long, okay, but still considered low volume, so not too bad. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. Again, it's a low volume stock. Yet another one that is showing you the gorilla finger, shooting star. So this is Wednesday. If Thursday, Friday, grandstand finish, then this stock is yet another beautiful stock. Okay, all these wood stock may be good. Okay, maybe. Ayo, already trading at 10, 20, 30% pips. So I skip. Got Scenic enough already. Okay. Wait. What am I talking about? We forgot to do one very important thing, guys. We forgot to do one very important thing. Okay, so now we want to find, okay, similarly to how I found Meliwa, I'm going to use the same method on forestry stock. Are you ready? I'm going to use the same method to find this forestry stock, this forest stock, wood stock. Okay, ready? I'm going to put my mouse. I'm going to click on the link. Once I click on the link, it will highlight to me what, this software is so smart. It will highlight to me what stock to pay attention to. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, NWP. Dun, 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 dun. Wow, 不可以, this one cannot, this one cannot. Okay, let's see. Forestry stock. Miyako is very strong. Miyako on the weekly chart is very strong. And you can see the earnings is also very good. It's just a pity that when I saw this stock, it was already up. Okay, it was already up. It's not a profitable stock. It's still a money-losing stock. But you can see it's Hamri Fansan. Okay, the earnings getting stronger and stronger. So you expect the earnings in June. Price is 67 cents now. So low only the price. So that means there are more upside. Wait, nanti. Let me confirm my number here. Oh, sorry guys. This is a negative. Negative, you cannot use pip stable. Remember? Negative cannot use pip stable. Okay, so forget about pip stable. Let's focus on this. Okay, let's focus on this. So do I see BIC? Now I do see bullishness. I do not see very clear BIC because along the way you can see there's high volume selling over here. Okay, yet the stock can overcome the selling, so it is quite a strong stock. And today, where most of the stocks are down, this stock is still up. So it is a very bullish stock. Okay, like I said, I saw this stock too slow. It already moved up. So what I need to do is to have the patience to wait for it to pull back. Okay, once it pull back, show me BIC, that will be the best time to buy this stock. Right now, I will just wait for it. Just add this stock to our watch list. Okay, then we monitor for entry. So D Pharma, no good. FGV, plantation, we talk about. Grow Hay, I know lah. Grow Hay is the water tap. What is this? Another forest stock. All the forest stock come out to the list today. So this one also double A. This one, wow, all red color. Scary, man. Scary, scary. Also, red color one, I don't like. So for forest stock, plenty of choice. Miyako, Miyako, Evergreen, Hevia. I check the chart. They are all the better ones. You see? They are the better ones. But similarly, already go up, have to wait for the pullback to be safe. Hevia, you see? If I see this, right? If it start to happen to Miyako, happen to Evergreen, that means this sector, another tricky fella. So it is trading at the resistance. You can see pullback on such a heavy volume. When you see this heavy volume, what you want to see next is stopping volume. Like this, like this. See 不要眨眼看清楚像不像？像不像？ Look like what happened today, right? But don't think it's game over. You see, never game over. Stopping volume. See, stopping volume. Then after that, what happened? Continue to go up. So what it means that whatever happened here may happen here again. So you watch out for it. The next thing we want to see is lower report. Okay, lower report. Lower, smaller candles, stopping volume, and then we get ready. Zhu En Lo. Law Sensen, Law Sensen say Miyako got qualified opinion on audit report on ongoing concern, but it still went up. So this one is also a dangerous stock 原来 got one qualified opinion 笑料. Better be careful. Better be careful. Okay. Hoover, construction and supply. Now this stock, do you see BIC? Yes, I do see BIC in this stock, but then, can you see? A health check. We want to buy strong company. If don't have, right? How do I put it? If don't have, I also don't want to anyhow invest my money into dangerous stock. Later, gonna suspended or bad news comes out, issue rise like SCIB are base. I always say this, guys. See, SCIB. Wow, I open up this chart, a lot of people will cry. Okay, so SCIB, high debt, financial health check bad. This kind of company, you have to be careful because there could be rights issue, and SCIB indeed issue a private placement. So share dilution is happening. So you see, I always talk about this. So really, this kind of company have to be careful. If time can turn back, I will not want to hold this stock anymore. Just like Tiguan. But seems like every earning season, although I can find winner, there will always be one pattern stock pull me down. So this one is this season's one pattern stock. Raja Quasa still okay, but this SCIB, as per what y'all were talking about in the Facebook, it's not that I never see, I saw, but I don't want to react because no point I cry together with you, So I want to see how do I want to get out of this stupid stock. Okay, so right now earnings, everything is good. Now catalyst is very strong. It has currently MCO lah. So therefore COVID cases going up. So therefore the Sarawak election, I don't know whether can still continue this year or not. Whether the 4.5 billion ringgit construction project will award to SCIB or not. So all day I don't know. Doha World Cup 2024, 2022. Whether we'll continue or not, I also don't know yet. So those are the two very strong catalysts for SCIB, and it has proven itself that it can win contracts, projects. That is the only mitigating factor that SCIB is still a very good company in construction where it has got positive catalysts. Still got positive catalyst. So I am still waiting. You can see this long black candle transaction volume by Wednesday is still low. So our best case scenario is by Friday, give us a hammer. Give us a hammer. Right. So tomorrow I may go to the Waterloo Street Temple and pray for it. Give us a hammer by Friday. Come on. Don't make it so difficult for me. I just only trying to help people make money in the stock market. Why do you have to push me so hard? Trading is really very hard. So don't test my faith, don't test my patience, please. So that is SCIB. So let's continue. JTSA, pullback on low volume, going out is strong. So this is plantation plus this plantation stock plus Forestry. Okay, Forestry. So earnings wise is getting better and better and better. JTSA, let's check JTSA because last time we used to trade these two together. Ayo, JTSA cannot touch. JTSA cannot touch. Forget it. Come back to JTSA. Okay, so JTSA earning is not fantastic. Okay, it is not fantastic. Last quarter, in fact, report lower earnings. So I think for the safety of all mankind, I wouldn't want to touch this stock. Skip. K1 is electronic tech or skip. LKL, medical equipment. Tomorrow, don't know whether Supermax will drag the whole industry down or not. Okay, and otherwise, okay, I got Asia Ply lah. That one is another WBD stock. So this LKL better don't touch. Maybulk. Okay, Maybulk very interesting. Okay, you see that is selling over here. Okay, selling over here. So if it doesn't go down and starts to go back up, it seems like this stock is not over yet. Marine, freight, and logistics. Check the quarterly earnings is not so good, but I understand the bulk rate index is still going up. Okay, so Maybulk may benefit from it. At least the mitigating factor is the debt level is getting lower and lower. So let me check. 19th of May, 2 weeks time, it will report its earnings. Okay, again, negative company, we cannot use PIP stable, so we skip. So, okay, based on what I see right here, weekly candle should be nice, but I don't see any BIC, so I cannot buy without BIC. Oh, if you see this stock, if you see this stock here, right? You see BIC. Okay, can everybody see the BIC over here? Jadish Sandhu make a very good point. Okay, so for now, SCIB private placement to high net worth 1.54 so the price should maintain above 1.54. If not, those who receive the private placement will screw the company. Walao, I pump in money to the company and your share price go down below 154. Number 搞错, correct or not? So therefore, unlikely lah. Also, 154 should serve as a. Let me see what did it close today? 150. 他妈的. Okay, so we wait for the private placement to be done, and then SCIB will reward the private placee. Okay, so Maybulk, can you see the BIC in Maybulk? Okay, so this is what we want to wait for. This is what we are waiting for. So right now we do not see it. We do not see it. We wait lor. Okay, we wait lor. So what else is interesting? Now, all these I saw before the event start. I actually went through already, so I don't really quite like them. PPHB is worse. PPHB give you two gorilla. Now, those of you who just joined the webinar, you do not know what is gorilla. This is what I mean. Can you see? Look like this or not? Look like this or not? So this is telling you to own self decipher. So this one PPHB doesn't look very nice. SLVS. Okay, SLVS come down. So over here, this is the support level as depicted as the red line. So from here onwards, I want you to see this chart carefully. Do you see BIC? Do you see BIC? Achan, no way, man, no way. I will not put good money after that. I will not. I will start to look for the next Melewa, the next JVF tag. Okay, one more Melewa will solve the problem on SCIB. So I don't want to throw money inside SCIB anymore. BIC see Chan. Where's Chan Chan, you go where? Cannot find you already. There, Chan, you see or not? BIC so why go and become SCIB when there's a BIC right in front of you? 係唔係咁講? So add to watch list. 不要講這樣多, add to watch list first. And now I set up my trading plan. This one this one seems to be good SLVS. Okay, can win government project large scale solar project. Earnings wise is going up, but not accelerating very much. Also good lah. Too high scared they cannot meet the expectation. So let's see. 30th of June is the earnings. So if this stock, you need to do some calculation this stock, because it is giving bonus 1 for 2. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. Those of you who have access to the software, I'm going to show you how to do this. You take a look at the zero level. Look at zero level, 2.41, am I? So this is the date where it gives the bonus shares adjustment. So the share price done on that day is 1.68. So I take 1.68 divide by 2.41. Sorry. 2.41 divide by 1.68. I get 1.43. Okay, 1.43. So it means that I must divide this by 1.43. So 2.65 divided by 1.43. 1.85. Okay, so it means that the 10% projection is 1.85. We are still far away from 1.85. So it means that there is upside for SLVS. Okay, I repeat again. How do you use this PIP table, guys, for stocks that has the last earnings reported in February is here. You see this little like PAP logo, orange like color lightning. Okay, and then this is the bonus issue. Your pitch price will be screwed up. It will be based on the earnings date. So you have to self-adjust for this. How to self-adjust? You find the closing date, you divide by the pitch price over here at the zero level. That is called the factor. Then you divide these levels by the factor and you will get your 10%. So SLVS has got upside. And in case I miss it, okay, in case I miss it, I want to set an alert on SLVS. Okay lah, set at the E line lah. Earning is 30th of June, so I'm going to set 30th of June so that I don't forget. Okay, so if it goes up, I will be able to get my notification. Okay, so if it comes down, I also want to know. So I set so that it will deliver to my mobile phone. So this is the RTS level. So I'm going to set right here. Okay. 这样子就万事俱备. Okay, guys. In Chinese, once I set these two lines, BIC chart. Forget to check the weekly chart. Weekly chart, it is still dreaming. It is still consolidating. So you can see on the daily chart, no hurry. In fact, guys, you can also consider to use smarter way to buy low. Okay, you can see the low volume over here. Smarter to buy low in this stock. Okay, so we call this in Chinese 万事俱备只欠东风. 万事俱备只欠东风. We wait for it. Okay, now CSCOP is also a stock key. Oh, today finally come down. Long black candle, marine logistics. Also, just like I was saying, the industry that we will pay attention to, lumber, glove, steel, chemical logistics. Logistics seems to be party over already. Tasco, all that all coming down. So, we'll wait for it. Okay, the rest, nothing much. The rest, really nothing much. WTK as a forestry stock is also not too bad. You see the pullback volume is slow. But the earning is earning not very positive. Earning is not very positive. So I am very cautious. Okay, I'm very cautious about it. Let me check the weekly chart. Weekly chart. Okay, now weekly chart on a Wednesday night is showing you shooting star. But watch out for Friday. If Friday it is able to go up, okay, then we know that there will be a high and volume white candle closing on Friday. Grandstand finish on Friday. So if grandstand finish on Friday, it means that there is upside from where we are right now. Okay, So for WTK, since, okay, this is bad, right? You have to be careful. This is bad. As much as possible, because got so many people to take care of, I try not to buy this kind of tikam company. Okay, although it's Hami Fan San, if Fan Bo Tio Say, Fan Rong Li become Chinese, 应够里翻船马甲烂. Okay, so therefore I have to be very selective and be careful. If the market is very strong, then only I do it also, but I don't want to miss it. So I draw a trend line alert. As you can see, this orange line is the uptrend line. When is the earnings? When is the earnings? Earnings 6月5号. So I'm going to draw the uptrend line and remind myself, okay? Remind myself to check this stock. 5th of June. Okay, I put 4th. Okay, so once it touched, it will send an alert to my mobile phone. Then wherever I am, if I'm in a swimming pool, I will jump out of the water and go to my computer. Okay, WTK. Hold up. So we go through this list of stock. The stock that we found today, okay, today is CPIB, Scenic, okay, Scenic, and we have got SLVS, okay, and WTK. Hey, WTK forgot to add into the list here. Traders Club member, don't kanchong, don't kanchong. You have got our own watch list. So those that are really highly qualified, by the weekend, I will add it inside our watch list. Okay, over here, I will add it inside our watch list. So right now, this is for the public segment that we are doing today. So over the past few weeks, we have been adding into this list. So let's say all these stocks that used to be showing BIC, how are they doing now? Like this chemical play at Tronic, still there, haven't go up yet, and I still see BIC leh. Wow. Except the earning is gonna sai lah. Except the earnings gonna sai. Has it reported earnings already? Not yet. Whoa. Haven't reported earnings. Whoa. This stock. Okay, it makes me feel very excited. Why do I say that? Okay, it is because LC Titan reported very strong set of earnings. Lux came as well. So therefore, this sector, you can see all the brothers are here. So this sector, and I do see a little bit of the ascending triangle pattern. Same like, wow, this one is like Melewa, what? Same pattern. Okay, so I will KIV and keep a lookout for this stock. Continue to keep a lookout for this stock. So I'm going to add it into my watch list. Hey, you think okay, just to share with you my sincerity, I'm not kidding. I'm going to replace the Air Asia in my list. Tronic. Miyako is also inside. I was staring at it. Just because the stock too high, I never buy. Okay, so I really add it inside. No joke. I'm not patronizing you, guys. So you don't patronize me as well. You come here really seriously. We are looking for stocks to trade one. Okay. So Asia Ply, this is a big disappointment. Tomorrow, I wonder if the Supermax is going to cause the downfall of Asia Ply. It's supposed to be Asia fly, but the ascending triangle fly until hit the sell candle, and now it's coming down. Lower volume, yes, but I don't know whether it will continue to drag lower until 28 cents or not. Then yam gong. So this one, maybe tomorrow I will start to offload. Okay, enough time given to this stock already. I don't want it to be another SCIB, another Tiguan. So I may want to get out of this stock. Complete. This is what I mean. This is what I mean. Continue to come down on low volume. Keep dragging lower and lower and lower. So complete as of now, though we saw the BIC, it keep pulling back lower and lower and lower and lower. So this industry, maybe already the play is over. The play may be over already. Okay, but I still keep it here to monitor. So once the trend turn, then at least we know. This one is today's stock, CYL. Paper packaging, guys, can you see this? Although it has this is like BJ Corp. Let me show you. Where's my multi chart? This is like BJ Corp. That's why just now the BJ Corp I was very hesitant. Okay, I was very hesitant. Okay. Wait, let me show you exactly where it looks exactly like that. Okay, take a look at this. It's coming down, low volume after the surge. So this one also going surge, coming down, low volume, and this is the first white candle. First white candle, low volume pullback. But that doesn't mean that it will go up. You see, it continue to come lower. So this kind of stock, there's an English song for it. There's an English song for this kind of stock. Can some of you guess it? What English song represent this kind of stock? Anyone to give it a try? What English song represent this kind of stock? The answer is Killing Me Softly. Okay, Killing Me Softly. Keep coming down lower and lower. Julius Yap, you got it. 厉害了，厉害了，厉害. Okay, give you a like, give you a like. Wow, oi, all of you know you all have been singing inside the community, is it? Okay, so let's go. NTEX. NTEX. This stock has got BIC even before it goes up. Because this one we already spotted last week. Okay, we saw this last week. You could see the BIC very clearly here. And then today, fly up. Okay, so this play is over. NTEX is over. Went up already. So if you have bought NTEX, congratulations to you. Focus SP should be, see? Another Killing Me Softly stock. Okay, weekend, I'm going to clean up this list as well. Fritz. This play may be over, like I said. This play may be over. JHM, brother DNO already up. This fella still don't want to go up. Semiconductor, no wonder. Okay, so this one also Killing Me Softly. Don't think BIC don't need to wait for VT, just buy you will cry like. Okay, so skip. My good friend. Kawan, my good friend. This one BIC until don't want BIC. So many. Okay. This one, the BIC is damn obvious. So although today come down, it is still BIC. It's still a good company. It is still a profitable company. Okay. So this is Kawan. I shall not speak too much about Kawan. MMC Corp. MMC Corp. Ding, ding, ding. This Marine Port Services. Pull back if the volume is lower will be ideal. This one is not very low. Let's go to the weekly chart and see. Okay, so it is still doing BIC on the weekly chart. So don't write MMC Corp off yet. You can suddenly jump up like a vampire from the coffin. 20th of May, 86. But the price already went up to 111. Already way above the projection. Skip for me. For me, I will skip. I don't know about you, but for me, I will skip. What is this? Annual report. Yeah, there's no bonus share or whatnot. So it's really trading at 111. So I did not touch. SCOMNET, another Killing Me Softly. All this COVID play, I'll be very cautious tomorrow onwards because Supermax, it's like the 四大天王 4 Heavenly King. All four cannot inspire the COVID play. Hatta, Top Glove earning, Hatta, Top Glove, Costan, Supermax, all four of them cannot inspire the stock market. So therefore, I have got very little faith that they can do it anymore. Or therefore, I do not want to have anything to do with COVID play for now. Okay. So that is what I have in mind for them. Okay, SLVS, WTK, this is something I just added. Okay, so that completes the whole list of stocks that we have went through. So these are the list of stocks that we are focusing on, and these are the results we went through. So I hope this is bad Kawan. Hey, don't anyhow scold my friend. Kawan is good friend. Kawan is good friend. T Ocean is what song? Let's see. T Ocean. T Ocean. I don't know, like maybe you all can suggest keep going up. I think it has some contract from the government, I think. T-Ocean, guys, I tell you, this kind of stock, if you have it, right, it is your blessing, okay? But if you don't have it, don't keep looking at it because it doesn't make you rich. And if I give you another chance, okay, if I give you another chance, you will also not buy this stock one, you know. If I look at the chart, right, I will also not buy this stock because it will never fall under my radar. It is not my cup of tea. Okay, so even though it went up from 40 cents to $6.65, it has got nothing to do with me. So I don't feel painful at all. I also don't feel envious at all because in the first place, I will not be able to catch this stock. It's not my cup of tea. You understand what I'm saying? So I am more competent, like Meliwa. This one I understand, I understand how to catch this. Okay, and Care Plus as it break out. This one I catch with confidence because I know how to see BIC. When I saw BIC, I know what to do. So T-Ocean, this kind of chart, no BIC, I don't know how to do. So even if you go up, I don't feel a single thing. If I see a chart, fundamental is good. If I see a chart, like revenue in March, this one, suck it. Suck it. This one, suck it. So if you come to the April webinar, right, you will hear I'm crying like the sad violin song, because there is BIC and yet I sold too early. That is why revenue I am set, but I'm not set for T-Ocean. Okay, so that wraps up the stock selection for tonight, and I want to go through the summary with all of you right now. At this stage, those of you who have heard many times already, I know it's time for you to switch it off, but just hear me out for the summary for those of you who are new. Okay, so for those of you who are new, this is for you. Summary. Whenever you go into the stock market, you want to decide what to buy, what to sell, you have to look at the process. So once you have a process, even a market like today, you will not be worried, you will not be scared because you know exactly what you're looking for and what would you do. Okay, so for you to find what stock to buy, you need to pay attention to the industry theme. What is at play right now? Currently, it is still okay, sorry, not currently. Last week, it was steel, it was glove, it was chemicals, okay, it was lumber, that means the forestry stock, okay, it was logistic. This week, no more. All of them went up a lot already, no more. So prepare for the stock market to pull back. And also, don't forget, the market strength index has broken the Sapo line. The market strength index has broken the Sapo line. It is legit bearish now, so be careful. Okay, now catalyst. Why will your stock go up? Very important question to ask. If today you have got a lot of stocks in your portfolio, you one by one you go through, you ask yourself, what is the catalyst for this stock to go up? If you cannot answer this question, this stock shouldn't be in your portfolio. You bought the wrong stock. Okay, so these two is your answer to what to buy. Use these two as a guide to find what to buy. Then once you found it, you come here, when to buy. Okay, look at the chart. Either you buy breakout or you buy low, but whatever you do, is the chart showing you BIC? If it doesn't show you BIC, then probably you do not want to touch it yet. Buy you're not in control. So it's neutral. Neutral means it can continue to go sideways or it can even killing me softly kind of chart. Then don't touch. Okay, so that is when to buy and when to sell. You must sell when you see weakness. Like today, I sell and sell and sell until what? How do I say in English? Sell until sian, or clear all the lock-in profit for all the stocks that I have been riding for so long that finally it's time to sell. So later I will show you what I sold today. And your portfolio management. Sometimes in order to reduce risk, like in May, you expect the stock market to be volatile. You want to reduce risk, you take off some profit from the market or you cut some losses and to reduce your net exposure to the market. Okay, for example, you may go 50% cash, 50% in the stock market or 60-40. Whatever that lets you sleep at peace at night. Okay, so this is the summary for how to find stocks to buy in the Bursa market. DT tio lah, sell until buay lin chu, but this is this is Bursa stock selection. It's not Singapore, so cannot use Hokkien, must use Cantonese. Cantonese, ngõ jam stick. Don't know how to say in Cantonese. Sell until don't know what to say. Okay, so this is a summary for those of you who are new to the stock market. Now, if you find this process very useful, please give me a haha to let me know you're still there. Give me a haha to let me know you're still there before I proceed. 还有人在吗？ Okay, great. You all are still there. Very good. Okay, so those of you who are new, my name is Yihua. Okay, you have been hearing this voice behind the screen. So who am I? My name is Yihua, Director of Chart Nexus. I've been a private trader since 2004 until today. So you can see the way I select stock, the process is very well oiled, and I know exactly what I want to find in the market. Okay, now along the years, I've been contributing articles to the mainstream media. So these are some of the samples. Now, before COVID-19, guys, I was there with you in the city where you are from. So today, if you are from KK, you're from Miri, you're from Kuching, or you're from Johor, Kuala Lumpur, Ipoh, Penang, okay, I was there at your city conducting this seminar like this. Invite people to come to the hotel and then talk stocks with you. Okay, so for those of us who have met before, no more such happening already. Every time when we able to have some form of relaxed restriction, COVID cases arises. So now what do? We do online, just like what we are doing right now. I sit at my home, you sit at your home, we talk stocks. In Chinese, 以股会友. Okay, we talk stocks. So therefore, I find that COVID, after all, it's not a bad thing. It changed the way we conduct this business, and therefore, everything move online is also good. Okay, you don't have to travel, I don't have to travel, so I can have one webinar like this tonight, talk to everybody in Malaysia. So it is very convenient right now. Okay, I hope you are enjoying yourself at home every Wednesday night when I talk about stocks with you. So I also lead the Traders Club. Okay, now what is Traders Club? Traders Club in Malaysia, right? We focus on what stock to buy, something like what we go through tonight, and also more importantly, follow through the whole trade life cycle, from what to buy to when to buy and then to when to sell. That is what I mean, trade life cycle. So if you're looking for a club to join that is very focused on results and focused on what stock to buy and have very strong follow-up, this is the Traders Club that you may be looking for all these years. Okay, I'm going to show you later more. So everybody will go through this 5-stage trader progression. Perhaps right now you are still stuck in the first 3 stages. Okay, do not know how to make money in the stock market. So may I invite you to listen to me as I explain to you my trading plan, how it can help you in making money in the stock market. So if you want to skip the first 3 stages or you want to exit the first 3 stages, come to the 4th stage, this is the program that you need. Okay, in my program, I call it the Bursa Mentorship Program. Okay, it is not Bursa Training Program. There's a difference. Let me explain to you what's the difference. So in my program, I focus on fundamental to find what stocks to buy. So you will learn how to find profitable business, how to find growth business, and also how to detect sector in play, industry in play, and then it will form the what to buy. Now, the when to buy and when to sell, we're using technical analysis to guide us. We sell at weakness, we buy when we saw BIC using a strategy called the volume trigger. Okay, or sometimes when the market is very quiet, we use smarter way to buy low. So you will learn all that using the technical analysis. So using fundamental analysis to find what stock to buy, we will use technical to time our entry and exit to get the best price possible. Okay, and right trend, more importantly, right trend. You don't want to buy gloves in 2020 You ride all the way up. Top glove highest was 20 ringgit before the stock split. And then Tombale come back to 5 ringgit. Like going on the roller coaster ride. Okay, as you hang on to the stock, hold tight, go on the roller coaster. You don't want to do that. What you want is, if you have followed me, we have exited all the glove stocks in last October when the stock chart is showing us a very big descending triangle. So that was the time we sell all our glove stock. Later you will see. Okay, so mentorship. This is where the difference is. You do not just learn and then try by yourself. You learn, then anytime I saw any reason, okay, a real-time chart that has got learning opportunity for you to learn how the strategy apply in real-time market, I will broadcast to you like this. Okay, I will broadcast to you like this. Can you see? So this is my broadcast. I'm going to share with you some of the key highlights over here. Okay, so this is, I have KP prop that time. So while waiting for it, I swap, because I saw Care Plus coming. So I swapped my investment in KP prop by selling it and swap into Care Plus. Smart or not, you see? Okay, so Care Plus after that become one of the big win. Then we have got Supermax as well. So same day, Care Plus and Supermax. One glove stock is not enough. I diversify into 2 glove stock. Okay, Supermax as well. So when I saw this kind of glorious opportunity, I will highlight so that you can learn from the chart, like PA. Okay, PA. And then you have got Presta Anju. Then you have got Mfla, GF Tech. GF Tech is another big win. Okay, just as the stock is coming out with high volume, can you see this is BIC, guys? Can you see GF Tech got BIC? Very obvious, isn't it? GF Tech, BIC. So in case you are busy with your work or you are stuck in a traffic jam, right? When you hear the mobile phone broadcast to you, you can open up the chat and say, oh yeah, GF Tech, BIC, wow, 不要错过嘞. Then you quickly park your car at the side or at the toll, and then you key in your order lah. Or you call your broker lah. Call your broker, say, hey, this stock I've been eyeing for a long time. Today I want to buy, you know. So this is how we do it. And then we have got big win. Melewa, I keep talking about Melewa. This is the latest one. Okay, as it happened, I'll broadcast to you so that you will not miss. You know exactly what to do. Lock in profit for 2 full. Okay, and then sell this great tech at break even. And we have got quiz time. This stock got no, see, this is another BIC chart. Okay, there is no stock name because the volume is very low. I don't want to push the stock. So for those of the member who know this stock because they attended the training, they apply strategy, they will know what stock is this and then they can take advantage of it. And PA, okay, let me see. 5 hours ago. Okay, so this is 1 day ago. Now, 5 hours ago, today, I start to sell Care Plus, sell JF Tech, sell Supermax. Okay, then I also found Presta very bearish. Then I also found Melewa. It's time to lock in profit. I don't want it to erode my profit anymore. Okay, PA similarly, sell, high volume coming down. So all these are my read on the market as it happened. Okay, so that you can,原来the trading say high volume looks like this.原来the trading say trading stop looks like this. Then you will learn what to do and you'll be able to take advantage of it. Understand? So can this learning broadcast help you? Okay, so next is the weekly training that I'll be conducting on every Monday. Every Monday for 1 whole year, you will attend my weekly webinar training to learn what to prepare for the week ahead, what stocks to look for, what strategy to apply, and those stocks that we already have any weakness need to be careful or not. So during this weekly training webinar, you will learn. Okay, and daily market commentary. This one is the whole community come together. Very, very vibrant community. Okay, under here, discussion. Okay, under discussion, you see every day, right? We will have this good morning post from me. Okay, so from this 5th of May, this today, you see 452 comments. So we talk about the stock market. Talk about stock market. What is going on? Okay, what stock is on the way up and all that. You see all these news. Okay, so it is a very supportive supportive community that help each other out. Okay, I one person only got 2 hands, but when I add all 700 of them together, the moment new member asks a question, very fast, some of the veteran member will help to answer. So I really appreciate the community right here, helping out to each other. Now, our guides are all where all the training videos are uploaded. Okay, to learn how to use the software, ESP Master Pro User Guide 1.6, then you will learn how to set your Telegram alert. Volume trigger is after you see BIC chart, use this strategy to buy. Okay, and you have got advanced breakout strategy, smart way to buy low. So these are all the strategy videos in topic 2. How to take profit, how to sell, topic 3. And you have got position sizing. This one very important. If not for position sizing, a lot of people will lose a lot of money. So if you use position sizing correctly, you will be able to survive any bear market and you will prosper during the bull market. Okay, so these are all the important videos. So this is the Chartnexus Traders Club Malaysia private invite group. So not everybody can come in, only members. Okay, only members. So this is the whole complete mentorship program to help you learn how to make money in the stock market. Okay. So this is the key strategy that I'm using, one of the catalysts that I call it the earning season method. So these are the 4 sensitive months, and you can see we are already in May. So we do expect the stock market to react positively. Okay, so we want to focus on stocks that fly during these 4 months. So this is the method, okay, when I apply it. So I want to share with you the results. Like May 13, 2020, last year. Okay, so these are the list of stocks. Okay, the list of stocks. So we have got FP Group, Chrono, MTech, OCN Cash Revenue, SCGM, Top Glove. Okay, that time the portfolio grew to 19.7K. Okay, 19.7K in unrealized profit. Now, fast forward to August 3rd, 2020, you can see the list of stock changes. Now, why does the list of stock change? Okay, it's because after the stock reported earnings, have you heard about sell on news, sell on confirmation, something like what you are experiencing right now in May? So I log in the profit log in the profit for Chrono FP Group So you don't say FP Group is still here. You see, Chrono is no longer inside the list. Okay, MTech, OCN Cash. You see, it's no longer inside the list. So it is like after the earnings is over, I will start to log in profit and I will try to write some of the stock, like Top Glove. Okay, it's one stock that I write. You can see Top Glove, I bought it. And that time the profit was only 9.9K. So it swelled to 46,000. Okay, and then I added Tiguan, Supermax, Comnet. During the June and July months, change the stock in the portfolio, prepare for the new earning season in August. So that is what I mean by the earning season method. Okay, you will receive very strong core support once you join this program. Like I shown you on the private page, the community coming together to help each other out, training videos, weekly webinars. ESP Master Pro, the software, gives you so much information and where to find the good BIC chart using the built-in strategy. It will give you a lot of information and that will lead to better investments ahead. And the learning broadcast, okay, you will receive from on your mobile phone and wherever you are, even if you're sitting on top of your toilet bowl in the morning baking cake, you will also receive my broadcast. If I see a particular stock exhibiting exactly the kind of pattern that we like, BIC, you will receive from me. Okay, Telegram alerts. Okay, just like I demonstrated to you how to not miss any stock. So you can set alerts for this Telegram and then it will send directly to your mobile phone again. Every alert now on your mobile phone, so that if you are someone who's not sitting in front of the computer, you will be able to benefit from it. Okay, so in the whole Bursa mentorship program, we are focusing every day on what stock to buy, when to sell, rinse and repeat for every single week. Okay, every single week. Now this is continuing in October. We are building up to the November earnings season. You can see the list of stock changes again. Okay, after the August earnings season is over, start to swap out of some of the stock and buy more new stock and even add more to those stocks that I am winning. And you can see the unrealized gain swell up to 91,000. Okay, 91,000. Then, oops, 91,000 anymore. Okay, November 2020. Now, November 2020 earning season, I was actually flat. I didn't make a lot of money in the November earning season that week. Okay, because the market starts to turn down in October, so I end up selling, locking in all the profits, and I struggled. Okay, to find good stocks, just like in May, very similar to May. Okay, so I posted this to the community. See, I read to you. We had a lousy November. Each time I have a lousy period, Jordan always inspires me. Never give up. We never gave up, and that is why we are enjoying the profits in January. January. This one I posted in 18th of January. Lousy period will happen again in the future, but remember to keep the faith. Me and my sui cui. I go and say lousy period will happen again. That is so negative. I wrote that in 18th of January. No, 没想到 May 2021 really lousy period happened. But January, okay, February, I roll the profit. I square up all the position in November, start to pick up stocks in December, in January, and a complete list of stock. The profit built up to 48,900 ringgit. Okay, that is because I never gave up in November. If I were to throw in a towel in November and give up, I think I better, stop trading lah. Market is bad lah. Then I will never have bought all the good stocks that allow me to roll up the profit to 48,000. You understand? So therefore, we don't want to give up on the market. Now, March, April, May, a lot of you may have missed those steel counters, chemical stocks. But guess what? There will be opportunity in the future. So if you give up today, you will never make back your money. Okay, so continue to persevere. Do you know that Thomas Edison invented the bulb only after the first 100 failed attempts? If he has not continued to experiment, right, today we do not have the light bulb, Okay, so this is what I want to share with you. Do not give up. Okay, don't give up. So if you're looking for a result-oriented training program, this is it. I want to share with you some of my members' results as well as my results. Hashtag our hashtag movement, hashtag results movement. There you go. Inside our group. Okay, so these are all our winning traits to inspire one another. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, you can see all different names, all the different members coming in to share since many weeks ago. So the most recent one is today lah. I saw a lot of them share their Melewa. Okay, Jing Kai share what? Haptek. Hey, Haptek, he found himself. He found himself. This is mine. Okay, this is mine. Okay, I struggled to break above 10K profit for most of April, but I finally did it late last week. But today, because the market isn't good, so I decided to lock in profit for some of my winners. Also, you can see 10.4K. Right, so this is the results, hashtag results for all the members to come here and inspire each other lah. Also, if you're looking for a results-oriented program, this is it. So with the knowledge you learn, you will be able to recognize opportunities that will allow you to make money from the stock market. Without knowledge, okay, you will not be able to see opportunity, and that is why you are struggling to make money. I hope this is logical to you. Okay, so these are the kind of profit that I have wrote for the last 4 quarters, and I have managed to stay profitable for 1 whole year. Granted, it was a very good year. Okay, so right now 2021, okay, 2021, it is still positive. So May is not over yet. I am not giving up yet. So 3rd week of May, we will know. Okay, whether can I make money from this May earning season. Now, my pre-COVID seminar package when I was going around Malaysia, it was 3788. But because now we are all doing online, so we can offer it to you at a discounted price of 2388 because we do not have to book hotel anymore. I do not have to pay Tony Fernandez anymore to fly around Malaysia. So therefore, we can keep the investment low. Okay, so to sign up for the program, and if you have been struggling, you have been losing money like more than 2,388 ringgit for one stock, you need help, you have enough, you are fed up, you are frustrated enough, instead of losing your next 2.3K to the stock market, why not join my community and let's do this together? Okay, this is the link. Okay, click on this link to sign up. Oh, sorry, not click, you cannot click. You have to type out the link to sign up, or my assistant already posted the sign up links on the right hand side over here. So you can click on them to go and sign up, or you can click on the WhatsApp. Okay, if you got any question in regards to the training program, you can click on the WhatsApp number to WhatsApp us, or you can write to us at et@chartnexus.com. For more testimonials from my members, some of them very kind enough to give me the testimonial, you can click on this thing to read. All right, so this is the program. Now, the other thing is I want to highlight to you is if you have been through your tertiary education, like you have spent like 20, 30, 40,000, okay, on your degree program, learning how to make money for your company. Maybe now it is time for you to recognize the value that, hey, how about invest in yourself? 2388 for a 1-year mentorship program every single week, every single market day. Me and my community together will support your trading journey. Okay, for just 2388. Think about it. Okay, you have been spending 20, 30K to get a tertiary education, and now you're still money not enough. And you know that by saving hard, you will not retire wealthy. So the only way to retire wealthy is through investment. Okay, so if you do not have any investment knowledge, 2388 for 1 year, I think it is one of the best program, value program. Okay, so I'm going to throw in another bonus for you that just I didn't show it to you is this club watch list. So for those of you who sign up, you will be able to have access to the club watch list over here. Okay, Malaysia Traders Club watch list. These are a list of stock that we selected due to the good earnings, and straight away you have your quick, what you call that? You have your cheat sheet. We call it a cheat sheet, right? Immediately you know what stocks to buy. Okay, what stocks to not to buy. Sorry, not stock buy. What stocks to target for good earning stock. What stock to target inside this watch list. So that is the quick list for you that you can immediately come and take a look. All right, so for those of you who have stayed on all the way to this last slide, okay, I know a lot of you, a lot of them, not you, a lot of them drop off along the way from 10:30 onwards, drop until 10:50, a lot of them drop off. Then those of you who stayed behind, other than members, I know you are still here. Some of you may be new and you are wondering, hey, is this program right for you? I'm going to offer you a very special price. Okay, and this is called the last call price because the price is going up. Okay, the price is going up in May, sometime in May. I keep the date from you because once we increase the price, it will not come down. Okay, so this is your last call, the last price, 1914, below 2,000. You save 1874. If you want to take advantage of this discount, you got to be fast and early. Once we increase the price, you will never see 1914 again. Okay, guys? So this is the sign up link. Those of you who stayed all the way to the last slide, this is to reward your patience. Okay, your patience. Now, if you got any questions, feel free to leave a question on the right hand side over here on the comments field. Me and my assistant will try to answer your question. Answer your question. Okay, so let's see who's the first question. Jing Kai, I thought you are a football fan. Football kaki. I football, basketball also can. Snooker, I also know Stephen Hendry, Jimmy Whites. Jack of all trades Jack of all trades. So not only football, basketball also I know one. I stopped watching basketball after Jordan retired. I stopped watching football after David Beckham retired. Already all the players I know all retired. Okay, so Charlie Contango, are those winnings cumulative or just for individual quarters? They are for individual quarters, Charlie. Individual quarters. Okay, with the exception of SCOMNET and Supermax, if these stocks are very strong and there are no weakness to sell, then I will continue to hold them. For the one in February 2021, those are a complete list of new stock. There isn't a single glove stock in them. Okay, there is no glove stock in them. Right? Any question, guys? Feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Saiful Riwan, I have just resubscribed to the program 5 minutes ago. When will I be added to the FB private group? Yeah, tomorrow, Saiful, tomorrow. Resubscribe. Oh, that means you used to be a member, is it, Saiful? Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, Saiful. Yvonne Tan, how to sign up? Click on the link, Yvonne. Can you see my cursor? Click on the Bursa link. Okay, click on the Bursa link to sign up. Those of you who are from Singapore, you can click on the Singapore link to sign up for the Singapore program. Hey, Singapore also the same. You get the same service. Let me share with you. Today I also sell. Or today I also sell the Singapore stock. There. Medtex and Riverstone today. Okay, these are the glove stocks, COVID stock play in Singapore. And this is the semiconductor stock in Singapore. Okay, so you get the same kind of information as it happened in the market. That is where when I spotted something, I will highlight to you. Then according to your training, you will know what to do. Now, this is not a buy call, sell call program, guys. Okay, I hate buy call, sell call. Okay, because if I were to do a buy call, you think about it. If I were to do a buy call, based on the large number of people I have, right, I will be able to move a stock. I could buy first, and then when I call, stock go up, I sell to you. So that is a very dangerous thought. Okay, therefore, I do not do buy, sell, call. I only highlight what you learn in the program to you so that you have to ultimately decide whether to buy, to sell, or to hold. Okay? Very good program for those of you who are really want to learn how to invest successfully. Edward Choi, do we need to have our own charting software to view, or will it be provided with the program? Edward, it will be provided to you, Edward. So let me just show you again. What are the 4 things you will get, guys? There you go. Okay, so you will have Telegram alerts. You will have your communicator. You will have access to the Facebook private page. You will have the software ESP Master Pro. These 4 things you will have, Edward. Very complete one-stop solution. Okay, very complete one-stop solution. Your next meeting is next Monday. Okay, the next meeting next Monday. And those of you who sign up, you'll receive a welcome email, and inside we have the instruction on how to get access to the Facebook group, how to get access to the ESP Master Pro software, and how to get access to the communicator. Telegram alerts is inside the software, ESP Master Pro, right here. Okay, you can set it up right here under live alerts. Okay, you click proceed, the instruction will be there to set up, to hook up to your mobile phone, right? Wow, what a volatile market tonight. Just now I was seeing Nasdaq was down. Okay, now it is up again. Also, it is a very volatile market in May. So be careful, guys. Hang on tight. Okay, like any more question with regards to the mentorship program? Why is it suitable for you? What you will learn from that? Feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me. Since we are online right now, might as well ask all you want. May up. or May down? Candy GTO asked me, May up or May down? My answer very simple. My answer is it may go up or may come down. 哎呀，你会，我也会呀 ，Candy。May up or may down? It may go up or may come down. 哇，水哦，my answer 水哦。哎呀。Okay, to answer your question more seriously, okay, this is the market trend index, so we use this to guide us. Now, whenever you see the market trend index at the low, you need to look out for BIC chart to buy. Okay, BIC chart to buy. When it's at the high, is where it is more dangerous, I would say. So right now it's at the low. So it's not all lost. Okay, it's not all lost. Market is in a cycle. 不是上就是下，知道吗？上了就会下，下了就会上。所以现在已经下了嘛，下了过后就会上咯，係咪咁講？ But 幾時上 ？When will it go up? That is the skill, the knowledge that you need to learn. Okay, because if you ask me right now, I can't tell as well. No, I need to see the chart, identify BIC, and then buy accordingly. That is how I will do it. Okay, so I will not like prefix. I will sell in May, I'll go away like what Johnny say. I'll go away, then when come back? Johnny, then when are you going to come back? Correct or not? So if you go away, when are you going to come back? Anyway, you cannot go anywhere lah, guys. MCO lah, stay at home, cannot go anywhere. Okay, so I think you got no more question already, right, guys? So remember the links are here. The links are here. So click on the link, sign up, and join us early. 早买早享受, okay? The earlier you join, the better, especially if you are ready to pick up stocks for the earning season. Surprisingly, Nasdaq is strong today. If got BIC, normally need to hold for how long? Charlie Im, that is the wrong thinking. Okay, guys, Charlie Lim asked if Charlie, I'm not pointing you out. Sorry, I just need to take your question to ask everybody because it's a good question. So if got BIC, normally need to hold for how long? BIC chart, right? Doesn't mean you buy immediately. It's you need to use the VT to find the entry price. Okay, and then you buy already. So long the stock show BIC, you continue to ride the trend. I am a trend trader. I am not a short-term intraday trader. I am not. Okay, I prefer to buy good company. If this good company earnings every quarter give me very good earnings, the stock price will only go up and up and up. I will hold and add more. That is how you make big money,係咪咁講？Or that is how I make over 40-70K in Top Glove, in Supermax. Okay, because the earnings very strong last year. So if every time up a little bit you sell, a little bit you sell, 這樣賺錢唔得嘅 need to ride trend one. Okay, so I think suddenly you all go back to stocks already. You all never asked about the mentorship program. Stock segment is over. Okay, 有什么问题下个拜三再问 Okay. All right, so I think there's no more question already, right? So I'll thank you for your participation. I think tonight we hit quite a high number tonight. So very grateful for you to be here. I hope more and more people join us. I hope to hit 1K. Okay, I hope to hit 1K. And Traders Lab member, tomorrow, same time, same place in the group. I will try to do a I'll do a summary of tonight's picks. Then we'll follow up from there. Okay, so good night, everybody, and hope we wake up to a plus 3% in Nasdaq tomorrow. Good night, sleep tight, and don't worry too much. Okay, let me play you this song. 很顽皮啊，我很顽皮啊。